So it's changed my life because I get to do lay flat seats. We've done these amazing trips to Spain, Portugal, Italy, and every time I'm able to utilize these points that were not even in my life before to get amazing upgraded travel. And it's just something that I adore and I would never go back.
When Paula let me know that she wanted to get involved in this a year and a half ago, I was very skeptical at first. I'm a very fiscally conservative guy, and making the investment was something that, I thought was very risky. But after a year and a half, we just took our first trip, and the return on our investment has already been made on that one trip. So I'm a believer now. And we'll be working with Paula in the future to accomplish all of our traveling goals. So thank you, Joel, and the rest of the team.
I have been a widow for 7 years and said, I'm going to live my life no matter what, because you never know when the end will be. And this is where I'm at. I decided if I'm going to live my life, I want to find the best way to live my life. And Joel, the founder, just has been so open to giving so much information. I've loved every minute of it with everybody I've met in this whole family of JGOOT. Before I even got the book, I get a phone call from Joel, somebody named Joel. I have no idea who this is. And we started talking. He was explaining the whole JGOOT. And my husband and I were like, oh yeah, we need to do this because we're retired now. Our kids are finally, we're empty nesters. And just learning all the amazing ways to earn points, things that we just totally changed our whole mindset about spending and earning and things. We don't buy anything that we don't need. It's not about, just like spend to get points. It's about doing it the right way and doing it smart. And that my husband really appreciates, that I'm not just spending money to get points, but we're actually saving money on things that we buy anyway. We just so appreciate the fact that this group is here, being on this cruise and meeting the amazing people. The staff are amazing, but everybody has just been amazing. I've met some of the most wonderful people. I know that we'll stay in contact. We've exchanged numbers and everything. And I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart and for my husband, who is not a cruiser because he gets very, very seasick. But again, just thank you so much, JGOOT. You are changing lives and we so appreciate it. Thank you.
We've just learned a new way of travel, how to earn many, many points with just what we're normally spending, not having to spend anything extra. And we're very excited to learn to travel a new way and how to teach our kids to do the same thing and travel together.
Finally set up everything. We went to Japan. She saved about $25,000 on the very first trip. I'm like, okay. We got to lay in lie down seats for 15 hours on the way back. I'm like, okay, I really do like this. This is really pretty cool way to travel. So we've really enjoyed the course. Now I've gotten through all of it, and we've enjoyed the conference. It's been a great trip. So thank you very much. We appreciate Joel, appreciate the staff, everybody that's been doing everything for us. Great job on everything. I have to give a shout out to AIM as far as an MC. She's been great, kept the energy up, made it a great show, made it a great conference, kept everything going really nice. So thank you all very much.
And I will say a special thanks to Joel and the staff. I am a little skeptical of things until the more I read, the more and more assured I became. The people have been so friendly. As I say, this really is a JGOOT family. The staff is incredible. The community is fantastic. They'll just jump in and answer any questions you have. Happy to help you out in any way. So if you have any interest, I encourage you to just get the book, check it out, read it. You'll love it. Thanks.
Thanks, Joel. Thanks, staff.
Now, by taking the skills that we've learned, we have taken 4 cruises in the last calendar year, and by January, we'll have taken a 5th cruise. That's totally different. We shop differently. Not that we're shopping for different things, but I'm shopping smarter, shopping better, earning more points that I didn't even know were valuable. We had the wrong credit card before, and I had useless points that I was wasting. Now we're careful. We shop smart. We earn smart. We look for cheap cash deals because, let's face it, I'm cheap. And I'm looking forward to my first real points flight redemption where we get to go someplace cool. using points that I earned so that the trip is free. I can't wait to explore the world.
Came on this cruise basically as fact finding to see if this is a real deal or if this is not the real deal. And after talking to 450 people on this cruise, I've come to the conclusion that what we're doing is for real. You know, not to mention that the fact that last year we've gone on 4 cruises. As of January, we're going on 5 cruises, and 3 of them will be free through the JGOOT method. And using the proper credit cards, getting the right points, it's a way of changing your lifestyle so that you are buying what you're normally buying, using your income that you're normally spending in a way that is most frugal and most efficient to earn points and take cruises, take flights, take hotels, be able to travel more in more exotic places. So I'm very happy with this. Thank you, Joel, for exposing me to this.
We're new to JGOOT, but we have 2 experiences that have been just phenomenal since we've been in. We went to the private entry and it was like a beautiful hotel. And so when we got there, people came out, opened our door, put us on this, put us through security, put us on, I mean, it was like security was right there, put us on the elevator that had a leather couch on it. We went up to the lounge, and it wasn't like a normal lounge that you normally go to in an airport. It was
Gourmet food.
yeah, great food. They gave you a menu, you ordered, they served you. It was great. And then, of course, we had lie flat seats. So we were pretty hooked from the very beginning. We asked for an upgrade, and I guess we were the only people there because they gave us the presidential suite. I am telling you, I have literally lived in apartments that are smaller than this room. It had 2 bathrooms, it had a soaking tub, it had a conference table. It was probably what?
It was probably about, for people that get it, it was probably about 2,000 square feet.
Huge.
It was huge.
Anyway, we were there for several days and we just really felt like kings and queens. So
Thank you,
we
JGOOT.
love JGOOT. We love JGOOT. So that's it. Thanks.
It has helped us on a personal level. My wife had had a health issue where they said she had a 10% chance of survival. She was involved in JGOOT before that, and with the family of JGOOT, she had recovered just about 100% because it gave her something to look forward to, and I contribute that to part of her recovery. We're here enjoying ourselves, and the stimulation as we get older is more and more important in having things to look forward to. So don't wait, do it. And JGOOT will help you save your money